We're talking scheduling an open house, so let's get right to it. First thing that you do is bring up the listing. It's easy enough. Give it a click, bring it all the way up here. As you can see, scroll down a little bit and you'll see the upcoming open house area. Now, one of the things that we're going to really caution you on is if you're going to have an open house on Saturday, you want to make sure you get all the details and you schedule it out by Wednesday morning latest. We need time for it to percolate through the internet. It's very simple. You just go down here to this area. You can go ahead and do a virtual one if you'd like. You know, a lot of us still, senior citizens especially, have those compromised immune systems and whatnot and are not real happy about having people troop through the home. But all you have to do is select the date, select the start time, the end time. Is it going to be public, company only, brokers only? Remember, we used to do those caravans. You may want to have some verbiage here, what it's all about, get exciting and so on, and then simply schedule the open house. You know, I always talk about us being as well as an MLS, we are also a technology firm. Well, we've taken a couple of steps additional for open houses. You know, on a Friday night, my wife will say to me, gee, honey, go ahead and Google and see what's happening in our area this weekend. I'm a little restless. Maybe we'll go to a festival or something. And sure enough, I get out there and I do it. What's happening in our area this weekend? And your open house comes up. We're the only ones that do that. So when they Google it, they can schedule it out, go to that festival, and stop by to see you too. It's as simple as that. Thanks.